Very first clip we put up of Sparky was Sparky swearing parrot. Total nutter Sparky, and put him on YouTube and he was an instant hit. He's got the ability to understand. It's not as if he's just mimicking. If he wants something, Sparky will tell you he wants a biscuit.
Want a biscuit?
Or he wants a cup of tea.
And I got the tea.
Or if the dogs annoy him, he'll tell them shut up, stop it. And sometimes he'll tell the dogs to sit, and the dogs actually do it. Sparky's personality is very cheeky. Can be insulting at times. For some unknown reason, he seems to take it all out on me. The wife never gets it. She gets nice things like, love you, mummy. And I get, oh, ball bag, where's my biscuits? Thank you, ball bag. I can remember one night in particular, Sparky swore when there was 2 police officers that attended because youths were causing annoyance. And Sparky turned around and said, oh, for fuck's sake. Who's that? Bloody arseholes. And I thought, oh my God. All I could do was point to the parrot. And when they realised it was a parrot, they just burst out laughing, and that was it, you know. The situation was diffused.